Alright, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's edition, we are going to talk about Delta mining application. So, the very first thing you need to take note of is that Delta mining application is one of the best projects that we are mining out there. So, do well to check on the description if you have not started mining this particular project. Check on the description of this video, then you definitely see a link. Make use of the link and also the referral code that will be added to it so that you have what they call wake up bonus. So let's dive to a place where we are going to. The very first thing you need to take note of is that we are to mine 180 billion coins. That means we're still at early stage because we are on 100% place. So as you can see, we are to mine 180 billion and also we are on the 100% base, so we're still left with 99.900%. So and the total supply is 300 billion, which the community has 60%. So that is how it works. So and another thing you need to take note of that there's a lot of feature added into this particular application. Do well to upgrade your application. Once you upgrade your application, you see a lot of feature. You upgrade it to next one. So that is how you need to do what you need to do right now. So and another thing you need to know is that the ecosystem has decided to reward the community by asking them to earn what they call USCT. USCT is a way to reward those who are interacting with the system in daily basis. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and click this add button. You watch an advertisement, you earn what they call USCT. So let's click on this USCT button. Once you click on USDT button, remember that you may have upgraded your application before you'll be able to see this feature. This is a way to reward the community who are interacting the system in daily basis. So and also there's what they call settlement report. So there's what they call settlement report, which occurs every month. So this settlement report is a place where they convert your points and you to be on the USCT, and from this USCT you will transfer it to USDT and you can be able to withdraw it. So that is how it is. And once you watch advertisement, you click on this button, you watch an advertisement every 24 hours. You will be given a full advertisement to be watched. After that, they will ask you to come back in less than 4 hours. For instance, as you can see over here, time is not up. So until this time is up, then you will be given another chance to watch an advertisement. But you can play the game. There's a game that they added. This game is a way for you to earn more points. So because they discovered that the conversion ratio of this point is very, very low, then they decided to reward those who are participating in a different way by asking them to play game. So for instance, if you click on this game time, once you click on the game time, you just hold on, it's loading. So just hold on. So it is here. So as you can see, for instance, if you click on any of this game, you download it to be on your Play Store. Once you click on it, it will take you to Play Store, then you download it. Then once you play the game, you are going to earn 51k, and if you play this, you are going to earn 48k. If you play this, you are going to earn 51k as well. So that is how you can play the game. Just make sure you download any of the game that you know that you can play very well, then you keep on playing, then you keep on earning points. So let's go back. So another thing is how you can play the game. So there's one that I already downloaded, is what I'm going to show you how you can play it right now. So let's head straight to the play. I can just show you a brief way on how you can play the game. So just make sure you pay attention. Just well, the very first thing you need to do is to arrange this in a correct way, in right order. Once you arrange it properly, you'll be won and your points will be accumulating. So just watch this to the end. You see how you can arrange it. Once you arrange it properly, it will work and your points will be accumulating. So it's just like this. As you can see, they said congratulations. So and another one, just hold on, they will give you another one, another chance. Another chance is being given. Let's head straight again. So here it is. So you play it as well. Just play it accordingly. Just arrange this accordingly. So once you arrange it properly, it will be your points will be accumulating. And remember that your points will take 24 hours before it will reflect on the dashboard, before it will reflect on the place that you are expecting it to be. So just have that in mind, that it will take up to 24 hours before it will be reflect. Just keep on arranging this. So once you arrange it properly, your points will increase. So just arrange this properly. Just arrange it. Once you arrange it properly, so as you can see, it is done. So for the sake of this video not to be long, I think we should call it for a day. Just hold on. Now you have known how to play the game. Just download any game of your choice and start playing right away. Just then click on the one that you wish that you can play very well. Then you start playing your game right away. So make sure you participate in this project. So, and also make sure you play the game or watch the advertisements for you to earn more points. So that is how it works. So I think we have come to an end of this particular video. So if you find this particular information helpful, consider subscribing to this channel so that we can grow together. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we upgrade an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So go ahead and check on the description of this video. Click on the link and start mining right away if you have not started. But if you have started, go ahead and upgrade your application and start playing the game right away. Subscribe if you find this information very helpful, and also turn on the notification bell. Have a nice day and be blessed. Bye.